Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to prepare okra recipe with onions. In Hindi, okra is also known as bhindi, so I am going to prepare Bhindi Do Pyaza. Ingredients required to prepare this recipe are: this is half a kilo of okra or lady's finger or bhindi. I have washed it nicely and I have cut them into 1-inch pieces. 2 medium-sized onions cut into big pieces like this. 1 big tomato roughly chopped. 1 big onion roughly chopped. 1/4 teaspoon of garam masala powder. Half a teaspoon of dry mango powder, that is amchur powder. If you don't have this, friends, you can squeeze a lemon at the end of the recipe. Half a lemon, you can squeeze it. It will give a nice tangy taste to this recipe. Here in the dry spices, I have red chili powder. This is Kashmiri red chili powder. Coriander powder, half a teaspoon. 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder. This is fenugreek seed, which is also known as methi seed. This is just little bit I have taken. 1/4 teaspoon. Half a teaspoon of cumin seeds. 3 green cardamoms and 1-inch cinnamon stick. Salt as per our taste. 1 tablespoon of ginger and garlic paste, and I'm going to prepare my recipe in mustard oil. So now let's get started. Here I am heating 3 tablespoons of mustard oil, and our oil is almost heated. I will add the onion. I will saute them only for a minute. Now friends, I will take them out from the oil after sauteing it for 1 minute. After taking out the onion from this oil, I will fry the okras. Let's add all the okras in it and we'll fry it for 2 minutes over medium flame. Now friends, the okras are also fried, so I will take them out in the same plate where I have kept the fried onions. So here we have taken out the fried okras and the fried onion. Now in the same oil, I am going to add the jeera seeds, the cardamom, the cinnamon stick, the fenugreek seed, that is the methi, After adding this in the oil, we will add the chopped onion. We'll saute the onion together. We'll saute the onion till it changes its color. Friends, as you can see, the onions are cooked and it has changed its color. So now I will add the ginger garlic paste and we'll saute this till the raw smell of the ginger garlic disappears. Make sure the flame should be medium high once the ginger and garlic paste is fried nicely, we will add the dry spices. That is the coriander powder, the Kashmiri red chili powder and the turmeric powder. Mix it. And then we will add the chopped tomatoes. Add salt. We'll also add little water so that the spices do not burn and it mixes well. So we'll cook the tomatoes till it becomes nice and soft. Now friends, as you can see, the masala is cooked properly and the tomatoes are also nicely cooked. This is the time we will add the lady's finger, that is the okra and the fried onions. We'll mix it with the masala. After mixing it, we will add the garam masala powder and the amchur powder. That is the dry mango powder. If you don't have dry mango powder, friends, you can squeeze half a lemon. After mixing the masalas nicely, we will cover this and cook for 2 minutes over medium flame. So friends, now we will remove the lid, and here you can see the oil started coming in the recipe. That means our bhindi is ready. So it won't take much time to cook this recipe, friends, because we have already fried the okra and the onion, so it won't take much time. So it is ready now. So we'll put off the flame and now transfer this to the serving plate. Friends, here is our nice and tasty okra with onions ready. I hope you liked my recipe, friends. Please subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon to stay updated with my latest recipe videos. Do try out this chatpata Bhindi Do Pyaza recipe at home. Thanks for watching, friends. See you soon. Bye.